Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make objects look small in a video using CapCut. So first, you just need to add the video into CapCut and make sure that it is taken from a top point of view like this. And after that, just go to effects and click on the video effects. So this trick is will create a miniature effects, and it is called a tilt shift lens effect or technique. So here click on the lens category and then find the tilt shift lens effect, this one. And here you can see now it will create that effect so that the cars in the video will look small, looks like a miniature. So here you can also always adjust the range. You can also adjust the blur, the vertical, rotate, the color, and also the filter. Okay, when you're done, click on the check icon. Don't forget to adjust the length of the effect for the entire clip. And this is the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.